Story 7. A Beggar. Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there lived a beggar named Samuel. Samuel was a kind-hearted soul who had fallen on hard times. Despite his circumstances, he retained a positive outlook on life and greeted each day with a hopeful smile. Samuel had once lived a comfortable life, working as a carpenter and supporting his family. However, a series of unfortunate events led to his financial downfall. He lost his job, his savings depleted, and he found himself without a home. With no other option, Samuel took to the streets, seeking alms from kind-hearted passers-by. He would sit near busy intersections, holding a weathered cardboard sign and humbly asking for help. Many people hurried past, preoccupied with their own lives, but Samuel remained patient and persistent. Despite his circumstances, Samuel maintained his dignity and integrity. He never resorted to dishonesty or deceit to gain sympathy. Instead, he relied on the compassion of others and the belief that there was goodness in the world. One day, as Samuel sat on a street corner, a young girl named Emily noticed him. She was captivated by Samuel's warm smile and the hopeful sparkle in his eyes. Emily, being a kind-hearted soul, approached Samuel and struck up a conversation. Curious about Samuel's life, Emily listened attentively as he shared his story. She was moved by his resilience and determination to overcome his challenges. Inspired by Samuel's strength, Emily decided to take action. Emily rallied her friends, family, and neighbors, spreading the word about Samuel's situation. Together, they organized a community fundraiser, collecting clothes, blankets, and donations to support Samuel's needs. They also connected him with local shelters and organizations that could offer assistance and help him find employment. Word of the community's efforts reached the ears of a local business owner named Mr. Thompson. Touched by Samuel's story, Mr. Thompson offered him a job at his carpentry workshop. Samuel's eyes lit up with gratitude and excitement at the prospect of once again pursuing his passion for carpentry. With the community's support and Mr. Thompson's generosity, Samuel's life gradually transformed. He found a stable job, a modest home, and regained his independence. Samuel's determination and the kindness of others had helped him rise above his circumstances. As time went on, Samuel never forgot the people who had extended a helping hand when he needed it most. He dedicated himself to giving back to the community, offering assistance to others in need and spreading hope wherever he went. Samuel's story served as a reminder to the community that anyone can face hardships, and a little kindness can go a long way in restoring someone's faith in humanity. It showed him the power of compassion and the impact they could make by extending a helping hand to those in need. Samuel's journey from a beggar to a valued member of society inspired others to look beyond appearances and judgments, recognizing the potential and worth of every individual. His story reminded them that everyone deserves respect, dignity, and an opportunity to rebuild their lives. And so, Samuel continued to live his life, grateful for the second chance he had been given. He never forgot the lessons he had learned on the streets and carried within him a deep appreciation for the kindness and compassion that had transformed his life. If you're looking for a fun and effective way to improve your English, subscribe to our channel, Listen English Story with GKS.